Warning! Make sure you stretch well before you continue.
Welcome to Level 1.
Another test done. I'm sure you're very excited to finish them all. You'll love what we have for you afterwards. You may have already noticed the Ecliptic Industries short-distance tunneling device. It's required to continue on to the next tests. Most subjects may fear the Ecliptic tunneling device. However, it is completely safe, as long as you use it safely. I'll get back to you on that. You did it! Tunnels can be really cool, but it's important that you understand the safety guidelines that come with it. I'll read them as we continue on to the rest of the test. Rule 1. You cannot place tunnels on metallic surfaces. Metals tend to repel tunnel technology. Rule 2. Not really a rule, but you shouldn't worry about falling from high altitudes. The weird things on your legs take up all the shock. Rule 3. Do not straighten your arms. The device has a big kickback when you fire, so you don't want to break any bones, or deal with the insurance. Rule 4. Do not touch the barrel of the gun or stick any fingers or any limbs into it. Rule 5. Do not compare the Ecliptic tunneling device with the Aperture Science handheld portal device. They are different. Very different. Don't even think about it. Rule 6. These rules are important. Don't forget them. Rule 7. The device is not waterproof. Contact with water could cause a dangerous malfunction, opening a dimensional hole into a different time. This hasn't been scientifically proven, but it's safe to assume. Rule 8. Only point at what you want to shoot. Shooting humans has never been tested, so don't be the first one. Or cause anyone to be the first one. You will not be held liable in those situations.
Welcome.
Rule 9. Keep your finger off the trigger when you don't want to fire. In some cases, subjects inspect the gun, which could be very dangerous if you are looking down into the chamber of the device. Rule 10. Don't think about how the device works. Numerous subjects who have thought about it have... Just don't think about it. Isn't it weird though? Are you the same person? A new level! Don't be intimidated by the size of the room. Velocity, or speed, is constant between two tunnels. For example, if your pencil happened to roll off your desk into a tunnel on the floor while your other tunnel was on a wall, it would fly out of it. Objects you may be carrying with the device will also retain their speed along with you. I should probably mention, if you're scared of heights, try not to hit yourself in the head with flailing your arms. Brain-dead subjects cannot test. We've tried it before.
Welcome to Level 3.
Hooray! You completed this chamber without any guidance. According to numerous psychological studies, this indicates that you are one of 5 out of 6 humans who have cognitive and analytical skills. I should warn you, as beautiful as the energy projectile may look, do not reach out to touch it. Seriously, it will kill you. harder. After all, you're practically flying straight through them.
Welcome to